Hello traders, and welcome to another insightful video where we dive deep into the world of Forex trading. Today, we have an exciting topic on the agenda, a head-to-head comparison between two prominent Forex brokers, Exness and FBS. We'll explore each platform's key features, advantages, and potential drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. So, let's get started. Our first contender is Exness, a well-established player in the Forex market. Known for its user-friendly interface and wide range of trading instruments, Exness has gained a reputation for catering to both novice and experienced traders. Exness Trading Company has been working in the Forex market since 2008. The broker's activity is managed by Limestar Limited, a company registered in the Republic of Seychelles. Exness provides a state-of-the-art trading platform that offers a seamless trading experience. The platform supports both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, the Exness Trade app, MetaTrader Mobile, Web Exness Terminal, and MetaTrader Web Terminal, ensuring compatibility with various trading strategies. The user interface is intuitive, making it easy for traders to execute trades, analyze charts, and manage their portfolios. Account types and leverage on Exness. One of the key aspects traders consider is the variety of account types and leverage options. Exness offers a range of account types, including standard, pro, raw spread, and zero accounts. Traders can choose the account that best suits their trading style. Additionally, Exness provides high leverage, allowing traders to amplify their positions, although it's crucial to use leverage responsibly. Trading instruments. Exness stands out for its extensive range of trading instruments. Traders can access various Forex currency pairs, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. This diversity provides ample opportunities for diversification and risk management, catering to the preferences of different traders. FBS Broker Overview. Now let's turn our attention to FBS, another prominent player in the Forex industry. FBS has gained popularity for its customer-centric approach and a wide array of trading tools. FBS, FBS.com, is an international broker operating in 190 countries. The brokerage company has been on the market for over 10 years, and during this time, it has earned about 40 international awards. Let's explore what FBS has to offer. FBS Trading Platforms. FBS offers a user-friendly trading platform, supporting both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, similar to Exness. This ensures a familiar interface for traders accustomed to these widely used platforms. The platform is accessible via desktop, web, and mobile devices. Also, the VPS server provides flexibility for traders on the go. Account types and leverage at FBS. Similar to Exness, FBS provides multiple account types, catering to the diverse needs of traders. These include cent, micro, standard, zero spread, Islamic accounts, swap-free, and ECN accounts. Traders can choose their preferred account type based on factors such as trading strategy and risk tolerance. FBS also offers competitive leverage options, allowing traders to optimize their positions from leverage 1-to-1 to 1-to-3,000. Trading instruments on FBS. FBS offers a wide range of trading instruments, including major and minor currency pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. The platform's diverse asset selection provides traders with ample opportunities to explore different markets and diversify their portfolios. Comparative analysis. Now that we've covered the key features of both Exness and FBS, let's delve into a comparative analysis to help you better understand the differences and similarities between these two brokers. Regulation and security. One of the critical factors in choosing a Forex broker is regulation and security. Exness is regulated by reputable authorities, including the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CySEC, and the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. On the other hand, FBS is regulated by the International Financial Services Commission, IFSC, and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CySEC. Both brokers prioritize the security of client funds, providing a secure trading environment. Trading costs and spreads. Trading costs, including spreads and commissions, play a crucial role in a trader's profitability. Exness is known for its tight spreads, especially on its ECN accounts, while FBS offers competitive spreads across its account types. Traders should carefully assess these costs based on their trading style and preferences. Customer support and educational resources. Customer support and educational resources are vital for traders, especially those new to the Forex market. Exness and FBS both offer multilingual customer support and a range of educational materials, including webinars, tutorials, and market analysis. These resources can be valuable for enhancing traders' skills and knowledge. Deposit and withdrawal options. The ease of deposit and withdrawal is another aspect to consider. Both Exness and FBS offer a variety of deposit and withdrawal options, including bank transfers, credit cards, and e-wallets. Traders should check the availability of their preferred payment methods and consider transaction fees and processing times. As we wrap up our comparison, let's summarize the key pros and cons of both Exness and FBS to help you make an informed decision. Exness pros: user-friendly trading platforms, diverse account types and high leverage options, extensive range of trading instruments, regulated by reputable authorities. Exness cons: limited cryptocurrency offerings compared to some other brokers. Some traders may find the educational resources less extensive compared to competitors. FBS pros: user-friendly trading platforms with mobile accessibility, diverse account types and competitive leverage, wide range of trading instruments, regulated by reputable authorities. FBS cons: limited cryptocurrency offerings. Some traders may experience higher spreads on certain account types. As we conclude our comprehensive comparison between Exness and FBS, it's essential to emphasize that choosing the right Forex broker depends on individual preferences, trading goals, and risk tolerance. Both Exness and FBS offer robust platforms, a variety of trading instruments, and regulatory oversight. Traders should carefully assess their priorities and requirements before making a decision. Thank you for joining us in this in-depth exploration of Exness and FBS. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy trading, and may your investments be prosperous. Until next time.